Hey everyone, Gil at Gray Man Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something. Well, I'm tagging in off of something about 12 days ago or so when I talked about a skill, learning how to bake. Well, it's all good and fine to learn how to bake, but if you don't have the baking supplies, it's going to make it kind of hard. So go through your pantry, check to see what baking supplies you have, what you're good on, what you're not good on, and stock up and get a little extra of everything just to, so you can go longer in case something happens. Because baking always seems to make everybody happier, even the ones that have to clean up afterwards. All right, so get your baking supplies in order and get ready for whatever you need to bake. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out doing anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food. Part of your food is baking supplies, medicines, clothing. Learn a new skill like baking, and grow an indoor garden. The chemicals they're putting on the food in the grocery stores are really nasty, and you want to be able to grow vegetables year-round, so that means indoors and out. So learn how to grow indoors.